Do you love napping in the day? Are you filled with a strange sense of enjoyment by knocking things off tables? Would you have what it takes to catch that laser beam? Is milk your favorite beverage? Of course it is! Because everybody wants to be a cat. Or should I say bonjour mes amis, as we are going to Paris 1910 doing outfits inspired by the Aristokittens in Disney's Aristocats, which is the last movie that Walt Disney himself approved, enjoyed by generations with so much love for Marie and all the other characters. So how did I achieve these looks? Which famous real-life people were these kittens inspired by? Was the Aristocats actually based on a true story? Let's find out as I sit here enjoying my Marie creme de la creme speciale. Recipe coming soon to a device near you. Ladies do not start fights, but they can finish them. Marie is definitely one of my favorite Disney animal characters. I wanted to get across Marie's cute look, but it's so easy to overcute it with all the pinks and the bows. So instead of a pretty flared out dress, I went for a pencil skirt and a jumper to make it more modern and sassier, with these white platform trainers by Koi footwear that I wore with white fluffy socks. And it's really fun to find out that Aristokittens are actually named after real life French aristocrats, and Marie was inspired, can you guess it? By last French queen Marie Antoinette. But I think there's a lot of similarities look-wise as well, like this portrait of her by Pierre Duflo with the white dress and pink bows, or these portraits of her when she was 7 years old, where she actually looks a lot like her with the white hair, and she has the pink bows and the headpiece on the left and the bow collar on the right, just like Disney's Marie. So you kind of went from human, cat, human in this video. The fabrics I chose had a furry feel to them to make them a bit more cat-like. Wearing a fluffy Bordeaux jumper by Bershka, pairing it with a toweling miniskirt by ASOS. If you want to bring the furriness up another level, you could top it up with a faux fur white coat. I accessorized using this adorable Aristocats Loungefly wallet as a clutch, as it's way too nice to be hidden away in a handbag. So I did decide not to buy too much Aristocats merch, and I was doing so well until I didn't. Basically, I Heart Revolution Beauty did a collab with Disney Aristocats, and I had to buy some of my favorite bits from that collection, which I'll be using. And as well as that, I may have found the cutest Aristocats item out there, which I'll be showing to you later in the video. And as well as that, I may have bought this cup and a couple of other bits. I have no regrets. One of the items I bought was this Stay Sassy eyeshadow palette, and used the shade Frou Frou in the crease. I then went with catty eyeliner, lashes, and flushed cheeks with some freckles. So this is probably my favorite part of the collection, the perfect brush, where the actual brush is in the shape of a paw, and it's just so adorable and really is perfect. This wouldn't be a Marie look without a pink bow in the hair, and a pink scarf around the neck to signify her color. What inspired this look was illustrator Isabelle Staub, who did the most amazing interpretation of her, so make sure you check out her Instagram. Keep classy but sassy. The next look is Berlioz. I got a bit of a suit vibe from his grey fur, and with the Aristocats being set in 1910, I thought it would be perfect to do an Edwardian schoolboy vibe with the grey shorts and jacket. I found this ruffle neck shirt from ASOS that remind me of the color of the fur on the neck of Berlioz, which is more of a beige / light grey color, followed by this cool, oversized, charcoal grey colored herringbone blazer by ASOS. And of course, I couldn't do this look without his signature red necktie. The shorts are from Shine, which are layered over black opaque tights. You can also take this suited vibe a stage further by adding a grey waistcoat, like this one from ASOS. I have worn these shoes to death, but thought these brothel creepers worked perfectly for the look. Berlioz is a bit of a pianist, plus he was actually named after a famous French composer and conductor, Hector Berlioz. So this piano-inspired bag was a no-brainer addition to the outfit. And it also seems like his look was inspired by him if you look at this painting of young Hector wearing a red necktie. I continued the grey theme on my eyes, whisker, followed by Rockford. And, of course, cat eyeliner for that feline look. And I couldn't do this look without fitting in the shade Berlioz, which I applied under my eyes. Finish off with purpley brown lips. Perfect! I got this greyish wig from Wiggy's Fashion just to keep the grey tones of Berlioz through this whole look. And I wanted to give this hairstyle a nod to cat ears by doing 2 little buns. It isn't Beethoven, mama, but it sure bounces! I'm a tough alley cat too! The next outfit is Toulouse, the ginger one out of the trio, hence the shades of orangey brown colors. The makeup was created using the shade named after Toulouse's big hero alley cat, Thomas O'Malley, in the crease. Followed by Toulouse on the lid, which I obviously had to fit into the makeup look. Then highlighting using the Aristocats. Each of the kittens have a lip gloss named after them in the Revolution collection, so I'm finishing this reddish brown lip using the shade Toulouse. I felt that a golden look would go well with all the brownie orangey vibes. As with the other kittens, I wanted to keep the tone of color to the hair as well, with 2 big buns instead of cat ears. Toulouse was named after famous painter Toulouse-Lautrec, who was known for painting the dancers at Moulin Rouge. Look-wise, I see no resemblance. The only thing that they added to the character was that Toulouse, the kitten, was a painter as well. Apart from the ginger fur, another thing that sets him apart is his bow collar. But instead of going too literal and actually buying a bow collar, I found this amazing, really perfect top from Shine. I used these leather look PVC trousers, also by Shine, and thought this oversized toffee colored teddy fur coat by Boohoo worked perfectly to complete the look. It also works without the coat. Toulouse's big ambition is to be a tough alley cat, so these awesome blue AJ Morgan cat eye shades are right up his alley. And I couldn't help myself when I came across this adorable milk bottle bag that matches Toulouse's bow. The Aristocats love their creme de la creme. So I already told you that the Aristokittens were based on real people, but the movie itself was actually based on a true story, which is a family of cats that inherited a fortune in Paris 1910. Leaving your inheritance to pets actually isn't that uncommon. Just in 2011, there was a rescued stray cat in Italy who inherited $13 million and became a meowinaire. And while we're on the Disney roll, did you know there was supposed to be a 4th kitten called Waterloo? If you know any more fun facts, let me know in the comments and I will pin my favorite one. And I also found the most adorable thing to have in your bag, which is these lip balms by Mad Beauty that are made to look like a ball of yarn. Yarn. Let me know what your favorite outfit and makeup look was. And let me know in the comments which characters you want to see outfits inspired by next. And if not everyone wants to be a cat and you prefer to be a dog, for example, you can also check out my Lady and the Tramp inspired look. So if you're watching this, it means that you watched all the way to the end, so type this secret code in the comments. See you in my next video!